everyone, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you so very much, means a lot. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is what your message is from your spiritual team. Okay, so what your spiritual team wants you to know. So that is going to be the reading for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonate, and these are timeless readings. So whenever you watch, this reading is for you. Okay. So I have three groups over here. You can go by the cards or by the crystals. I have kept the crystals also. So for group number one, we have this card, and we have snowflake obsidian crystal. For group number two, we have amethyst crystal and this card. And for group number three, we have a bloodstone crystal and this card. Okay, so relax, let go of all the worries, connect with your intuition, connect with your higher self, and go with the group that resonates most with you. So the timestamps will be in the description box. If you want more time, please pause the video and take your time and then select and just then go watch the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number one, guys. Everyone, if you chose this snowflake obsidian, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what your message from your spiritual team, what your spiritual team wants you to know. So we have holy amethyst, divine alchemy, move beyond current challenges, focus on what you desire. Okay, so it's time to focus on yourself, look inner strength. So it's right, yeah. So for many of you, I feel like you can create anything from scratch. Okay, so your spiritual team wants you to know that don't be afraid to start from scratch, don't be afraid to start from zero. Okay, you have that courage, you can make anything work out. Okay, so if you're feeling that you have lost everything, remember, you can start. You're the alchemist, you can make everything happen for you guys. You have that much of inner strength. For many of you, I feel you have a passion for something, but you're stressing how to start, or you're like, if I start, will I get that success or not? So your spiritual team is letting you know that it's time to go with it. It's like, it's go. You have so much of, look at the hair, you know, the orange color. I'm getting the sacral chakra vibes here. So it's like you are getting a lot of inspiration, a lot of ideas, a lot of creative things. Maybe for many of you have creative talents, right? And for many of you are like, whether should I start this YouTube page, or whether I should start Instagram or anything. If you are debating on it, just go for it. You can make things happen for yourself. Okay, for many of you, it's you're overthinking, like, if I do this, will people like it? Yeah, you are overthinking about things. So it's time to go back to what you like. Okay, so it's time to do something that you always wanted to do. Maybe for many of you, it can be your childhood dream, to pursue like painting, or to learn something. Maybe you need to just take an online course and go with it. You know, you're gifted, you can make this happen. So your spiritual team is letting you know to go. Just let go of this current challenges, focus on what you want, focus on your desire, manifest your desires, believe in yourself, believe in your own capabilities, believe in your own talents. It's time to believe. Okay, it's time to trust the universe. It's time, you know, it's time to trust that when you fall, you will that your spiritual team will catch you, right? That kind of trust you need, like a trust a baby, small baby has, right? When their parents, with their parents, you know, small baby has that trust, you know. So that kind of trust you need to have, right? So that is very important here for you guys. And remember that you're very powerful people. You have so much of passion. You are very passionate about something. I don't know what is it. It can be anything. It can be a relationship. It can be your career. It can be your creative talents. But just go for it. You can make it happen. You have that power. Okay, so that is what your spiritual team is letting me know. Look, yes, you have gone through a major shift in your, something is changing, something is ending. So don't be afraid of this end. For many of you, you might be like resigning a job and taking a new job, or maybe you are like quitting something and just want to do something new, like you want to follow your passion, and you're like stressing about it, whether I will be successful or not. Don't be afraid, you will be able to make it. You know, you are meant for this. You can create anything you desire, right? You're the alchemist, you can make anything from scratch. Okay, you will be provided with the resources. You don't have to worry about it. That is what your spiritual team is saying, because you have that much of ideas, you have a lot of ideas, you're getting a lot of inspiration. Just go with it, just trust. Okay, yeah, sometimes with this death, it's difficult, it's like emotional thing, maybe maybe something sudden happened that you didn't expect, right? So it's okay, but you will be able to overcome, because every ending has a new beginning, right? So yes, you're going to a new stage in your life. I feel like that for many of your relationship might has ended, and maybe for many of you, you're getting out of this past situation and believing. So yeah, you're getting out of this past. That is what I feel, and your spiritual team is helping you with that, and they are telling you to believe in your own passion, believe in your own fire, believe in yourself, okay, and love yourself. Say some affirmations, like positive affirmations that will help you, like look into the mirror and say something like, I'm beautiful, and trust yourself, I'm confident, I'm courageous. Work on your confidence, okay? So that is also important. So you have so much of passion. You know, your ideas are different, are unique, so believe in it. That is also I'm getting here. So yeah, look, wow, we have Queen of, oh my god, we have Queen of Wands and we have Queen of Swords, right? So it's like independence and truth. It's like you maybe for many of you, you have these two qualities, right? You're meant to be the leaders. That is what I feel like. You can lead people, you have that much courage. Why are you doubting yourself? That is what I'm getting. You know, don't doubt yourself. You're the alchemist, you're the magician. You can make things happen for yourself. You have that manifestation power, okay? I'm getting this Capricorn energy. Maybe your Capricorns are, I don't know, because Capricorns are so much like very career oriented. I'm feeling like you want to get into the top, and you're like, will I be able to do that? Yes, you will be able to do that. Your spiritual team is helping you with that, okay? You are like this Queen of Wands and Queen of Swords, like such a powerful you I feel for many of you, you have qualities of these two people, right? So it's very, you're very powerful people. You know who you are, and you're very, you're going to be very independent, okay? I feel like that you're going to be very independent. You will be going to speak your, you will speak your truth in the future. I see you speaking your truth. You're only taking the people who you believe, and you're going to be honest with your feelings. You're not going to say yes if you want to say no. Like if you don't like something, you're like going to say no, I don't want this, I'm not. You're going to speak up for yourself. In the past you might not have done that, but I see your spiritual team is helping you to be in your power. I feel like that, and I know that you are going to be in your power. You're claiming your power. That is what I feel. For many of you, you might be doing something business or something. Just go for it, because you will be very successful in it, because you have this leadership quality, okay? So if you were in the past in a codependent relationship, or if you were financially dependent on someone, I see you moving away from that, making your own empire. I don't know why, but I feel like that. It's like a lot of success and a lot of victory is coming because of your own willpower, because of your own creative talents. You know, you have that much power. You can create anything you desire to, okay? That is what I feel like, okay? No one is going to like, no, people will know that it's not good to fight with this person, because you are not going to win. That kind of energy. You're so powerful people, you know. Yeah, for many of you, you are, at the same time, I feel you know who you are. You know what you need to change in yourself, like you're working on your shadow self also. So it's like you will be helping people. At the same time, you're not taking crap of anyone else, like that is also I'm getting. You are going to be very compassionate, very kind also, but at the same time you are not going to let other people take advantage of you. That kind of energy, very powerful energy I'm getting for you guys, okay? So let's see. Yeah, you can achieve anything you desire to. So your spiritual team is saying you that, letting you know that you can achieve anything you desire to. So all you need to is trust in yourself, in your own inner power, and if any obstacle comes in your life, you will be able to easily overcome it, okay? So remember that you are fire. You can achieve whatever you want to, okay? Remember that you're powerful people. Group number 1, it's very powerful. So with this, I'm not getting anything about love. It's all about your own personal power, loving yourself, like self-love, like working on your goals, achieving your goals, like making money. Like it's about yourself. You know, you are focused on you, and it's good. Go with it, okay? So yeah, what else? Shake it off. If you fail and others just shake it off and walk with joy. Yes, you're going to do that, you know. You're not afraid of failures anymore. That is what I feel like. And even if you fail, you will know what you need to do next, because the people who are very successful, they have failed many times they have failed, and then only they have achieved success, right? And you're one of them. You will fail, you will get up, and you will go forward, and your spiritual team is helping you with. But in the future, yeah, you might have failed right now, and you're like, why I'm failing, you know, why this is happening to me. But you will be able to easily overcome that, and you will move forward to your own personal power. This file is like, you're like a you're going to be very independent. You will not do you are not going to dependent on anyone for emotional dependence or anything. You will be so independent. You will love yourself, and that is where you're going. I'm getting, okay? So if you have failed, if you have done something and you have failed in it, remember, you will achieve your success in the future. So don't remember that you're very powerful, okay? That is what I have to say. And don't give up. Don't even think of giving up. You can achieve anything in your life. You're the powerful manifestors. Group number 1, okay? Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this amethyst, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what your spiritual team wants you to know, okay, for group number 2. Okay. So the first card you have is Sacred Self. Unleash your spirit, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life, okay? And open communication with this Mercury, okay? Get a weight off your chest, speak up with love, and be heard. So with this amethyst, you're very gifted people, okay? You're very talented people. You have a gift. For many of you, it can be spiritual gift. It can be like you're an artist, you're very creative, and you know it. For many of others, so for some of you, what I'm feeling is like you're hiding yourself, okay? You're hiding under a mask. You're not letting yourself known to other people. So if you have a creative, if you have a talent, you're not expressing your talent. You're not communicating your talent. You're not coming out. You're wearing a mask. If you have a spiritual based career or something, if you're doing something spiritually, you're like you're not showing that your family, your friends, you're hiding somewhere. I feel like that you're hiding yourself, you're hiding your gifts, you're hiding your talents. You're afraid that what will other people say about it, what will my friends say. Maybe it's for some of you it can be your spiritual gift. You're afraid of that. You have accepted that. I feel like that you have, for many of you, I feel you have accepted that. You're working on it. You're trying to build a career with that, but at the same time you're afraid to say to other people, or say to your closed people, closed ones, or something like that, something you're hiding. So that is what I'm getting here. It's not the time to hide anymore. For group number 2, I feel it's time to express yourself. It's time to speak your truth. It's time to get out and tell other people that you have this talent. Or maybe for many of you, you're doubting your own work. Like if you are an artist, you have a lot of art. You have made a lot of art pieces, but at the same time you're not ready to upload into the Instagram or something. You're not ready to show it to the world because of you're not believing in yourself, okay? So that is what I feel. It's time to believe in yourself, okay? It's time to believe in your talents. It's time to believe and express yourself. It's time to express. It's time to come out. It's time to come out. Okay, come out of the closet or whatever it is. It's time to tell the people who you are, what your talents are, whatever it can be. It can be anything. Just it's time to come out of the closet, okay? That is what I feel for many of you. It's time to tell what you like, what you want from life, what is your passion, what you want, what career you want to have, what relationship you will like to have. It's just it's time to speak loudly. Speak it out. Speak what is in your heart. Express yourself, okay? For group number 2, that is what is strongly coming. And when we don't express ourselves, we suppress ourselves. So when we suppress, it's difficult, we'll not be able to achieve our highest potential that time. So your spiritual team is saying, don't do that. Express yourself. Be proud of yourself. Why are you not proud of yourself? So that is what. Be proud of who you are. You are born this way, okay? For many of you, it's like you want to do what other people are doing. You need to remember that you're unique. You're different from others. And just trust in yourself. That is what your spirit guides, your angel are saying, okay? Your spiritual team wants you to know that, okay? We have 3 of Pentacles. Oh, soulmate energy. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you like someone and you are very afraid to express your love to this person. So it's like your spiritual team is saying it's time to do that, because this will give you a lot of happiness. With this Sun card, a lot of happiness is coming. So you're like, your spiritual team is letting you know that you're just over stressing about things. Because of your own fear, you're not letting it out. Whatever it is, there will be a happy outcome. With the Sun card, what I have to say, whatever it is, just express yourself, guys, because everything will be okay. You will be happy. Happiness is coming for you guys. Why are you stressing so much? So if you like someone, just let it out. Say that loud to this person, because this person maybe is your soulmate. For many of you, it's like your friend connections are going to be very strong, okay? You can say anything to your friends. If you're not saying something to your friend, just express it. You will you will get good outcome, okay? The outcome will be good. That is what I feel like. So if you're working on your creative talents with this, maybe for many of you, you're afraid of collaborations because you think that you will not do good, okay? You're thinking, I feel for many of you, you think low of yourself, like I'm not that talented, I cannot make that happen, I cannot put my art onto the Instagram, people will not like my work. You're over stressing about things. I feel like that, and this is all you're overthinking. You need to let that go. Your spiritual team is saying that you're team players, you're the leaders, you can make anything happen, okay? With this 3 of Pentacles, you're meant to work with people. So if you have a talent, just maybe you will get sponge. Oh my god. Sponsorship. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so maybe you will get that, okay? So maybe you will, like, different companies will come and like they will tell you, let's collaborate, just go with it. You will get that much. I'm seeing that kind of things for you guys. Yeah, open communication. And I was like struggling with the word. Maybe you're struggling with the words, okay? So yeah, just let it out. Work on your throat chakra, guys. That is what I feel like. I think I should also work on that. Anyways, so yeah, you have problem letting out your feelings, your ideas, your emotions. So you need to work on that. That is what your spiritual team wants you to know that, because you're team players, you're meant to lead, you're meant to be successful. So why are you hiding? Because whatever you do, it will be very positive, okay? So take a leap of faith, go with it, guys. Don't hide anymore. For you guys, that is what I'm getting. Yeah, keep going. Okay, yeah, it's time to keep going. It's time to move forward with your talents, with your creativity. Just go with it. Don't stop, guys, and put yourself out there. If you want to date, put yourself out there. If you want to collaborate with others, put yourself out there. Don't hide, because the outcome is going to be very, very good, very, very positive, okay? Family, okay. Oh, for many of you, it's where you go, whatever you do, your family is here with you, for you. As I said, for many of you, you might be hiding something with your family. You're like, my family will not support me, my family will not accept of this. You're like over stressing about this. No, they will be with you. As I said, the outcome will be very positive. You're over stressing about it. Group number 2, okay? So yeah, that's it. Group number 2, bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you choose this bloodstone crystal, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what your spiritual team wants you to know. Oh wow, we have focused intention, Diana, and Horus cosmic gateway. It's all about manifestation. So okay, with this focused intention and cosmic gateway, what I'm getting is, for you guys, you're very powerful manifestors. Okay, so it's time to focus on the things you want to achieve rather than focusing on the things you don't want to achieve in your life. Okay, so with this law of attraction will be very easy for you guys because your thoughts are very magnetic. Okay, with this Horus card, look at this, look at these two cards. Okay, think about what you desire, set your sights high, accept the best possible outcome. And the second card is, your thoughts are magnetic and powerful, miraculous changes are occurring. Okay, so whatever you're manifesting, just focus on it. Okay, so if you're manifesting a house, manifest on that, dream big for that house and accept that, expect the best possible outcome. For many of you, you might be thinking about that, and at the same time you will be like, oh, what if I don't get it, what if this happens, what does that happen, when will this happen? Let go of all these things. Okay, remember, you're very powerful, your thoughts are very powerful. So when you will be thinking, will I get that, when will I get that, and if you worry, the stress will manifest and it will take more time, right? You are very powerful, so what you're thinking is very important, your energy is very important at this time, right? So that is what your spiritual team wants you to know, that you're very powerful manifestors. So it's the time to be clear with your intention. So you need to only focus on the things you want to achieve in your life rather than focusing on the things you don't want to achieve. So if you're working on something, you need to only put the intention for that, not for the worry. Okay, not for the stress. So if you are like if you're using law of attraction and if it's not working, it's because you're stressing, it's because you're not letting it go. So while manifesting, the thing is to let go, not to think about it, not to overthink about it, not to complain about it, that when will I get, when will this happen. No. So that is why manifestations don't work, and I know it's very tough, right? We work, I'm also like that only, I'll manifest and then I'll be like constantly stressing about it, when will this happen, when will that happen, and it will take more time, right? So that is what your spiritual team wants you to know. You need to focus only on your manifestation, write it down and then let it go. You will get your manifestation because you're so powerful. Just focus on your goals, focus on your dreams, keep on working, be self-disciplined and go with the flow and enjoy, have this playful energy, and that is important, right? Yeah, look, your confusion, look, what else? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, okay, so yeah, we have, wait a second, I just dropped that. Okay, yeah, okay, look, endings. So the worst is over, guys, the worst is over. So yeah, you have completed a major cycle here. Okay, you're not going to go back to the past. Why are you thinking about your past? Get out of your past, guys. So many of you, I feel like you have gone through a lot of failures, and because of that you're feeling very confused. You know what you want to do, you know where you're going, you know everything, but at the same time you're so confused. I think it's like overthinking, it's like stress because of your past failures, or because of your lack mentality, or because what society will say, something like that. Okay, so at this point of time, your spiritual team wants you to know that it's not the time to do that. It's the time only to focus on what you want to. You know that, right? You know that what you want. Just focus on that. Focus on your spirituality, focus on your manifestation, focus on law of attraction, write script and just let it go. It will come to you, guys. Lot of clarity, lot of success is coming with this Ace of Swords. So if you're feeling confused with this Two of Swords, we have Ace of Swords, right? All the confusions are going to go away when you meditate, when you get insight. Your wisdom is so, you have that wisdom, you know all the answers. Okay, it's inside of you. You will get that answer. So just meditate. Okay, you will get your answers. You're gonna get the clarity you need. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. All you need to do right now is to focus on your intentions. Be clear with your intention. Don't go back and forth with your intentions. Just be clear and just focus on your goals, like the bow and arrow. Just focus on the point where you want to shoot, right? That is what I'm getting. And work on it. And with this Horus, I'm getting the third eye vision. Your intuition is very strong, so you need to trust in your intuition, trust in your intuition, trust in yourself, trust in the universe. All your questions will be answered, guys. You will get the clarity, you will get the understanding. Just go with the flow. This is what your spiritual team wants you to know right now, is to have the spiritual practice. Pray, your prayers will be answered. You are not going to go back to the past. You're not going to have that same situations that you had in the past. No, don't think about it, don't stress about it. You're very powerful, and you don't know that right now, that I'm saying that you're very powerful. Your manifestation skill is like very high. Remember that. Okay, so that is what your spiritual team wants you to know. Okay, group number 3, you're very intuitive, you're very creative. Trust on your creation, trust on your path, focus on your focus. It's the time to focus on your goals rather than on your stress, your anxiety, or your overthinking. Just let it go and just focus on yourself. It's tough, I know. So that is why they're saying to meditate, to ground your energy, to read, to listen to chanting mantras. Okay. To get out of your limited beliefs also, that is also one thing I'm feeling like, yeah, to get out of that limited beliefs, to get out of that lack mentality, you need to work on that also. Okay, so that's the thing I'm getting here. And believe in yourself. Learn, yeah, with this Hierophant, learning, it's like learning. If you're learning something, just keep on working on that. If you like, for example, if you want to pass an examination, just focus on that rather than whether I will get that examination, whether I will pass that examination, what my friends are doing. No, don't concentrate on that. Just concentrate on yourself, on your learning. You will get it. You will get the success, you will get the victory. Okay, you will have your answers. But at the same time, right now all you need to do is like to learn what you're learning. Keep on learning. Okay, keep on practicing your skills. Keep on moving forward with your desires. It's the time to do that. Okay, what else? Yeah, courage. You're very courageous, so you will be able to overcome anything. You have seen worst. With this 10 of Cups, you have seen your worst. Now there's nothing bad than that. Nothing is going to happen. You have seen the worst. Okay, you're not going to go back. Remember that. You are very courageous people, so keep on moving forward, keep on learning, keep on trusting yourself, meditate. You have all your answers within yourself, group number 3. Okay, so that is what your spiritual team wants you to know. Okay, bye bye, take care, group number 3.